Hey pack leaders, this is him. Friends are already protecting families by protecting the pack. I want to give you guys a XBTUSD setting that's been shorting the market. So let me go ahead and instead of doing over 50%, I think yeah, since it started. So anyway, let me show you. Alright, so this is at 5x leverage. It's already made 0.05 BTC, so about $500. I am tuning this on a regular basis, but you can see it's just constantly. This is all the trades made today. Quite a bit, but every time it mixes, it's just taking fees. So these are all major fees, or what's it called? Yeah, major fees. So just racking those trades up right there. It's all green. All right, and what's great about this is that it'll switch when it needs to. It'll long, short, one long, and then continue shorting as it continues in that direction. Okay, so the tuner is tuning this every hour to do it, and then as it trades, it'll increase its position. Okay, so it looks like we just entered another short on another count. This might short too, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so here's a setting. Try it for yourself. Currently is no position for buy, short for sell. Your trade amount, your fee, maker or cancel. 5 minutes. Make sure this is both checked. Make sure that safety's there. And there's the Bollinger Band settings, the RSI, and the MACD. Okay. And right now, if you want to get access to tuners, in the description below. But you won't be able to switch this or know when to switch without the tuner back testing and figuring out what direction it's going to go. Okay. So looks like we are. Oh no, this is where it started. It was 18. It was longing, and then shorting, long, and then it started just shorting the whole time. So we just kind of do all this. But I think there's a little bit of a bug here. I think the calendar dates is all kind of switched up. So let's just say it right there. This is it's 23. Its current position is somewhere right here. I think this is the last position. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. You want to get access to this in the link below, and I'll talk to you then. Actually, let me just show you what's going on here. So here, this is what it's been doing here. Just doing a lot of fees here, just racking up those fees, you know, but taking profit at the same time. So now I short it there, close out the order, and waiting for the next signal. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.